Hey guys, let me show you guys how to prepare this delicious, soft in the inside and crunchy on the outside pholourie. So delicious. Hello everyone, this is Diane and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be making pholourie. And these are all my ingredients. I have flour, I have split peas, I have green onion, red onions, garlic, pepper. I have some aromatics. I have some salt, some geera, also known as cumin. I have turmeric, and I have some baking powder. I have some coloring. I have some yeast, and I have some green onion. So let's get started. In the blender, I'm gonna add the split peas. In goes the split peas. This is my first YouTube video, guys, in a long time. I have been posting. I had posted some YouTube videos, but I haven't posted in a long time, and this is the first time I'm actually trying to do another one, so bear with me. And these are my aromatics. So all the measurement of the pholourie recipe is going to be listed in the description box. And I'm going to add my water. Please use lukewarm water. Everything into the blender. So everything is nice and blended here. Now it's time to mix. This is my flour. And you can mix it with your hand, or you can mix it with a spatula. And I'm gonna mix it with a spatula. Scrape all my blended split peas. The blades are very sharp, so I'm just gonna scrape all the split peas off and put it in this plate. And these are my other aromatics I'm gonna add. Also, I'm gonna add my quick rise yeast, which is a tablespoon. And remember, I said I'm gonna list it for your convenience, all the measurements. And goes the quick rise yeast. Just want to make sure everything is in there. This is coloring. I'm using from the powder coloring. I'm just gonna add a little bit, just a pinch. The spoon is a little, yeah, I think that's good enough. I'm also gonna add some chopped up green onion. I usually add some spinach, but I'm gonna add green onions because this is all I have on hand. And I'm gonna give this a little mix. In goes the split peas. I just blended up. And I'm gonna just go in with a little bit at a time, guys. Sometimes you need more water, sometimes you need less. And in this case, it looks like I'm gonna need a little bit more, and I don't know why. I noticed when you put spinach inside, you need to add a little tiny bit more flour. So as you see that, I would need to add some more water. So I just want to go in with it just a little bit at a time, because I don't want this to get too watery. And look at that, guys. And guys, head on over there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can beat this a little bit so it could get fluffy. You could beat with your hand or you can beat with your spatula, whichever way you want. And after this, I'm gonna leave it to rise for half an hour to an hour. And then I'll come back and show you guys how to fry. See, guys? And this is how easy that was to mix it up. Now I'm gonna leave it to rise. And when I come back, I'll show you guys how I fry this up. Okay, guys? See you then. Hey guys, the pholourie has been resting for an hour and now it's ready for frying. And this is what it's looking like. So let's head over to the stove and start frying. With some water, to fry. You can use oil too. And my oil has already heat up. So I'm gonna start frying. Oops, there it's definitely ready. So they're flipping up nicely. The oil is hot enough. So I'm picking up the batter with the palm of my hand, and then I'm squeezing with my thumb and my index finger. You can also use a scoop, an ice cream scoop, to do this. Taking out the ones that are light brown. I think this would be like 3 portions of frying. It's not a lot. It's enough for like a small family. This is what the pholourie is looking like, guys. And I have some chutney in here that I made earlier. I'm gonna make a chutney recipe in one of my other videos. And you just serve it like this with some nice hot chutney, or however way you like it. See that, guys? So head on over to my YouTube channel and subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, guys? See you until next time. Bye for now.